Ever spent 30 minutes air frying chicken only to pull it out half soggy, half burnt, and thought, there has to be a better way? If you're tired of inconsistent results and tiny baskets that barely fit a family meal, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that promises to change the game. The Nuwave Brio Plus Air Fryer 8-quart with a massive 8-core capacity, full digital touchscreen, and 150 presets. It's designed to make healthy, crispy meals faster and more reliably. But does it live up to the hype? Right off the bat, the Brio Plus feels substantial. This isn't a compact countertop model for one. It's a family-sized air fryer. You can fit a whole chicken, a tray of wings, or a batch of roasted vegetables without overcrowding. And that's key, because crowding food is the fastest route to uneven cooking. The 2025 redesign is not just cosmetic. The vibrant LED display and sleek digital touchscreen make it simple to navigate all 7 cooking functions, from air frying and roasting to dehydrating and even toasting. No more squinting at faded buttons or guessing which knob does what. Build quality is impressive for this price point. The basket and trays are PFAS-free with a durable ceramic non-stick coating, so you can cook without worrying about harmful chemicals. Everything feels solid. The circulation riser locks in securely, the basket slides smoothly, and the whole unit is designed to pause cooking automatically when opened, resuming seamlessly when closed. Little features like this make everyday use far less frustrating. Performance is where the Brio Plus really shines. Its advanced turbo convection system, paired with a 4.5-inch 6-blade fan and 3 power settings, 700, 1500, 1800W, cooks up to 4 times faster and more evenly than older models. You get golden, crunchy exteriors and juicy interiors every time. Temperatures adjust precisely in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the controls let you tweak time or temperature on the fly without stopping the cooking process. That kind of control makes a huge difference when cooking delicate items like salmon or reheating leftovers without drying them out. The 7-1 touch functions cover pretty much everything you'd want from a versatile kitchen appliance. Air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, toast, reheat, and preheat. On top of that, there are 100 pre-programmed presets plus 50 DIY slots. So once you dial in your favorite combinations, you can save them for consistent results every time. Noise levels are moderate. You hear the fan running, but it's far from distracting, even in open kitchens. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to the PFAS-free ceramic coating. Both the base tray and the circulation riser wipe clean easily, and because nothing sticks excessively, cleanup is a matter of minutes. For anyone who cooks frequently, that ease of maintenance is a huge perk that, of course, no product is perfect. The Brio Plus is large, so you'll need countertop space to accommodate it. If you're cooking for just 1 or 2 people, 8 quarts might feel like overkill. The touchscreen, while sleek, eliminates physical knobs, which some users prefer for quick adjustments. And despite the speed improvements, it is still an appliance that requires attention. You can't just toss food in and walk away entirely. Compared to competitors like the Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer and Instant Vortex Plus, the Brio Plus stands out for its size, temperature precision, and flexibility. The Cosori is great for smaller households with simpler needs, while the Instant Vortex offers strong airflow for crisping but lacks the expansive presets and DIY memory slots of the Brio. If you want a combination of capacity, precise control, and futuristic digital convenience, the Nuwave Brio Plus takes the lead. Who should get this air fryer? Families, meal preppers, or anyone looking for reliable, evenly cooked meals without guesswork. Who might skip it? Solo cooks with limited counter space, or those who prefer a smaller, simpler machine. For its performance, ease of use, and thoughtful features, I'd give the Brio Plus an 8.8 out of 10. It's not tiny or cheap, but it's powerful, precise, and genuinely makes cooking easier and healthier. If you're ready to stop guessing and start cooking like a pro, check out the link in the description. And if this review helped you decide, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.